Welcome! If you've ever wanted to switch your Discord app's time format to the 24-hour clock, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to change your time format on Discord for PC, especially after the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them, there's a little gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you're in the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up the customization settings for your Discord interface. Now here's where the magic happens. Scroll through the appearance settings until you find the option labeled Time Format. This is where you can choose how times are displayed throughout Discord, whether it's in your chat logs, server events, or direct messages. You'll see two options, the standard 12-hour format and the 24-hour format, which is sometimes called military time. To switch to the 24-hour format, simply click on the 24-hour option. As soon as you select it, Discord will automatically update all the timestamps across the app to reflect the new format. And that's it! You've successfully changed your time format to 24-hour on Discord. No need to restart the app or save any settings. Discord takes care of it instantly. If you ever want to switch back to the 12-hour format, just follow these same steps and select the other option. Customizing your experience is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.